In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a webhook in Twilio. This is a key step if you want automation like customer replies, order updates, or chatbot style responses. If you're finding this helpful already, tap the like button so more people can learn with us. Let's begin by logging into your Twilio console. Once you are inside, you'll see your dashboard where everything, numbers, messaging, voice can be managed. Look toward the left side of the page and open the phone numbers section. Then go into the area that shows your active numbers. From here, select the exact phone number you want to work with. You'll now see the full settings page for that number. Scroll down until you reach the messaging settings. This is where you choose what Twilio should do when a message is received. Find the option that says a message comes in and switch it to webhook. Right below that, select the HTTP method your server expects. Post is most common because it securely sends message data to your application. But GET is available too if you prefer a simpler request format. Next, paste in your public webhook URL, the endpoint where Twilio will forward incoming message requests. Make sure this URL is active and can be reached from the internet. Once everything looks good, hit Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up a webhook in Twilio. Now your number is ready to talk directly with your server and trigger automated actions. If you'd like more Twilio tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment on what you want to learn next. See you in the next video.